Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on the applications of quadratics. All right, in this video we have the height in feet of a bottle rocket is given by the model h of t equals 160t minus 16t squared, where t is the time in seconds. And this is height is in feet. There are our labels. What will be the highest point of the rocket and at what time will it reach that height? Okay, whenever you're asked for maximum or minimum or highest or lowest, any of these things when you're dealing with a parabola is you're looking for the vertex. Now this isn't in vertex form, but to calculate the vertex, we use negative b over 2a. That is the part of the quadratic formula without the plus or minus, which means we're not adding or subtracting from that center vertex, which means we're at the turnaround point, the vertex. When we look at this value here is a, this value is b. A doesn't mean the first number written, it means the number multiplied to your squared variable. B means the number multiplied to your single variable. C is your constant, and so in this case, C would be 0. Negative b over 2a is negative 160 over 2 times negative 16, which if we put this into our calculator, we're going to get 5. We could also do it in our head. 16, that's 10 divided in half, 5. Okay, so that's part of our vertex. The other part of our vertex is found by plugging that back into the equation. H of 5 is 160 times 5 minus 16 times 5 squared, which is going to equal 1,200. So that's our vertex. That's not how I'm going to answer it, though. I'm going to give it a sentence. I'm going to say the highest point is 1,200 feet, reached at 5 seconds. All right, it says what is the height after 2 seconds? This is just a plug and chug. What is h of 2? h of 2 is 160 times 2 minus 16 times 2 squared, which is going to be 384 feet. Then it says, when will it hit the ground? So when will it hit the ground? When is the height 0? When is 160t minus 16t squared equal to 0? I'm going to factor out a negative t. Actually, I'm going to write this backwards. Negative 16t squared plus 160t equals 0. Then I'm going to factor out a negative 16t. That'll leave me with t minus 10. And now I see that my two solutions to this are t equals 0 and 10. So the bottle rocket I'll say hits the ground, that's the actual question, hits the ground at 10 seconds. It's on the ground at 0 seconds, but that's not when it falls back down and hits the ground the second time. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!